Garmin has finally launched the CIRQA Smart Band, and this should have been an easy win. It brings many of Garmin's familiar health and recovery features into a screenless tracker, costs less than most Garmin watches, lasts up to 10 days, and unlike Whoop, it does not require a subscription for the core experience. But within hours of the official reveal, the comments were full of people calling it bulky, overpriced, years too late, and difficult to justify against cheaper alternatives. At the same time, others were celebrating because they can finally wear a mechanical watch, stop sleeping with a huge phoenix on their wrist, or leave Whoop's monthly subscription behind. So what exactly has Garmin built here, and is the criticism actually fair? The CIRQA Smart Band costs $199.99 and is designed as a discreet, screenless health and fitness tracker for continuous wear. There is no display, no notifications, and no temptation to constantly check another screen. You simply wear it, let it collect your data throughout the day, and then review everything inside Garmin Connect. Garmin offers it in multiple colors and 2 size options, with a stretchy woven nylon strap that can be worn on the wrist or upper arm. That upper arm option could make it useful for activities where a normal watch gets in the way, including strength training, cycling, and even contact sports. There is one physical button on the side, so the band is not completely dependent on your phone. You can use it to manually start and stop selected activities, while CIRQA can also automatically detect activities such as walking and running. Garmin says it supports more than 80 activity profiles, including running, cycling, strength training, yoga, Pilates, and high-intensity workouts. However, there is no built-in GPS. Outdoor routes depend on connected GPS from your phone, and that omission has already become one of the biggest complaints. People are asking a reasonable question. Why pay $200 for a sports-focused wearable if you still have to carry your phone to map a run? Garmin clearly sees CIRQA less as a standalone running device and more as a recovery tracker and companion product. It also supports ANT+, allowing it to broadcast heart rate to compatible Garmin devices such as edge cycling computers. That could make it useful for cyclists who already live inside the Garmin ecosystem. The health tracking list is extensive. CIRQA includes continuous heart rate, body battery, stress tracking, HRV status, pulse ox, respiration monitoring, skin temperature trends, and women's health tracking. It also supports hydration, nutrition, and lifestyle logging, so you can record habits such as caffeine and alcohol intake, and then compare them with your sleep, stress, and recovery data. This is much more than a simple step counter. Sleep is another major focus. CIRQA offers sleep score, sleep stages, sleep coach, nap detection, smart wake alarms, breathing variations, and skin temperature tracking overnight. These features become more valuable when the device is worn continuously, and this is where a screenless band starts to make sense. Many Garmin owners love their watches during the day but do not enjoy sleeping with a large Fenix, Epix, or Forerunner on their wrist. One commenter said CIRQA would finally let them wear mechanical watches without losing fitness tracking. Another said they had been waiting for a smaller device specifically for sleep. That may be the strongest argument in CIRQA's favor. It is not necessarily trying to replace your Garmin watch. It may be designed to fill the hours when you do not want to wear one. But Garmin also has something important to prove: accuracy. A huge number of comments under the official trailer were not asking for more features. They were asking whether Garmin had improved its sleep algorithm. Some owners complained about their watches missing hours of sleep, underreporting deep sleep, or incorrectly classifying quiet reading as sleep. If Garmin wants CIRQA to become a serious recovery wearable, sleep accuracy matters far more than simply adding another sleep score. The sensor has created even more controversy. Garmin describes it as a new sensor, but it appears to be based on the older Elevate Gen 4 architecture rather than the newer Gen 5 sensor found in some premium Garmin watches. It does include skin temperature sensing, so it may be modified, but many potential buyers are still asking why a brand new $200 wearable appears to use older sensor technology. Comments like Gen 4 sensor, is that a joke? And Garmin is 5 years late, received a lot of support. Of course, a newer sensor does not automatically guarantee better results. Fit, placement, software, and algorithms all matter. Wearing CIRQA on the upper arm may also improve heart rate performance during certain activities. But until independent testing begins, the concern is understandable. There is no ECG, no blood pressure monitoring, and no built-in GPS. Some viewers expected Garmin to include more advanced health features, but that would also risk competing directly with Garmin's more expensive watches. CIRQA appears intentionally positioned as a wellness and recovery device, rather than Garmin's most advanced medical-style wearable. Battery life is rated for up to 10 days. That is respectable, but many people expected more from a device with no display. One of the most liked comments said the band looked huge for only 10 days of battery life. Garmin's own product material focuses heavily on screenless comfort, advanced sleep tracking, and 10-day endurance, but the physical size has clearly surprised people. The app may be an even bigger problem. CIRQA has no screen, which means Garmin Connect becomes the entire user experience. Yet many comments under Garmin's own trailer complain that the app feels old, slow, and visually outdated. Several viewers joked that the charts shown in the promotional video looked far more modern than the real Garmin Connect interface. Others said they would not buy another Garmin product until the app receives a major redesign. That criticism matters. On a normal smartwatch, a mediocre companion app is inconvenient. On a screenless tracker, it is where you see everything. Garmin can build excellent hardware, but if the data is difficult to understand or buried inside an outdated interface, the value of the tracker becomes harder to appreciate. Now we come to CIRQA's biggest advantage. There is no mandatory subscription. Core health tracking, sleep tracking, activity detection, connected GPS, and most of the basic Garmin experience work after buying the hardware. Garmin Connect Plus still offers optional extras such as AI-powered insights, guided features, and premium services, but you do not need it to keep using CIRQA. That immediately makes the comparison with Whoop more interesting. Whoop has a strong recovery platform and polished coaching, but its subscription is central to the product. Garmin is offering a buy-it-once alternative for people who already use Garmin watches, cycling computers, or the Connect ecosystem. Over time, that could make CIRQA much cheaper than Whoop. However, cheaper rivals are also creating pressure. Many commenters compared CIRQA with the Fitbit Air, saying it is smaller, thinner, and around half the price. Others argued that Fitbit has better coaching and a more modern app. Garmin will need its training metrics, ecosystem integration, and subscription-free model to justify the premium. So who is CIRQA actually for? It probably makes little sense for someone who already wears a comfortable Garmin watch day and night. One Epix owner said their watch already measures the same data, and a nylon strap makes it comfortable enough for sleep. For that person, CIRQA is simply another unnecessary purchase. But it makes much more sense for people who wear mechanical watches, remove their Garmin at night, train in activities where watches are inconvenient, or want to leave Whoop without losing recovery tracking. It could also work as a companion for cyclists using an edge computer or Garmin owners who want one continuous health record across different devices. I do not think Garmin has made a bad product. CIRQA offers a wide range of health, sleep, and training features, works within a mature fitness ecosystem, supports ANT+, can be worn on the upper arm, and avoids a mandatory subscription. Those are real advantages. But I also understand why people are disappointed. At $199, many expected newer sensor hardware, built-in GPS, a smaller design, longer battery life, and a much better Garmin Connect experience. The reaction is divided because Garmin may have built a useful product for a very specific audience, while everyone else expected a revolutionary Whoop killer. Those are two completely different expectations. So where do you stand? Is Garmin CIRQA a smart subscription-free alternative to Whoop, or is it simply an older sensor inside an oversized $200 band? And what would Garmin need to fix before you would buy one? Sleep accuracy, the Connect app, built-in GPS, a smaller body, or newer sensor hardware?